Water damage in a commercial building is vastly different from a residential leak. It threatens your inventory, your daily operations, and the safety of your employees and customers. Knowing how to react in the first hour is critical. The very first step is life safety. Evacuate the affected area immediately. If standing water is near electrical outlets, appliances, or server rooms, do not enter the space. Shut off the main power to that zone if it is safe to do so. Once the area is secure, you must stop the flow of water. Locate the main water shutoff valve for your facility or the specific floor. Every minute the water continues to run exponentially increases the structural damage and your financial loss. Activate your emergency response plan. Immediately notify your building management, maintenance team, and your commercial insurance broker. Early communication ensures everyone is aligned on the recovery process and coverage expectations. If it is completely safe to enter, prioritize moving critical assets. Relocate important physical documents, sensitive electronics, and high-value inventory to a dry location. Prop up heavy furniture on foam blocks to prevent wood stain transfer to commercial carpets. Before any cleanup begins, document the entire scene. Take extensive photos and videos of the standing water, the source of the leak, and all damaged goods. This visual evidence is absolutely critical for expediting your commercial insurance claim. Commercial spaces often have raised floors, drop ceilings, and heavy-duty drywall. Using standard wet vacuums and a few small fans will not extract moisture trapped inside these complex structural cavities, leading to severe secondary damage. In a climate-controlled commercial building, mold can begin to colonize within 48 hours of a water intrusion. Once mold sets in, you face a biohazard situation that can trigger health liabilities and force a total shutdown of your business. The ultimate goal is business continuity. Commercial restoration requires industrial-grade desiccant dehumidifiers, thermal imaging cameras, and heavy-duty air movers to dry the structure rapidly so you can reopen your doors as quickly as possible. Don't let water damage permanently close your business. For rapid, commercial-grade extraction and structural drying, call the Gold Coast Flood Restorations.